L'Afrique de l'Ouest représente un véritable terrain d'aventure pour les voyageurs qui veulent sortir des sentiers battus. La Sierra Leone reste un mystère pour les surfeurs. Freetown est la capitale de ce petit territoire, coincé entre la Guinée et le Libéria. La Sierra Leone a souffert d'une très longue guerre, mais le pays est enfin sorti de ces moments sombres. Les Sierra Leonais commencent à regarder l'avenir avec beaucoup plus d'optimisme. L'équipe Surf Explore est partie à la découverte de ce pays, à la recherche de ses vagues, mais surtout à la rencontre de ses habitants. Direction le Bury Beach Surf Club. C'est le seul club de surf du pays, qui se trouve au sud de Freetown. L'objectif, c'est de leur donner du matériel de surf, mais surtout, c'est de les rencontrer pour mieux comprendre leur approche du surf et de l'océan.
About some positive changes. We need some positive changes. Thinking about some positive.
My name is Jabez Benga. If I can remember, I started surfing when I was a kid, you know. In Sierra Leone, surfing is not so popular, you know, like people are afraid of the water, you know, like they don't know how to swim, you know, like surfing, as you can see, we have now the surf club, and then we are doing some bungalows also, like, and then like most of the kids in the community, you know, like they really love it, you know, like every afternoon they come down, like we take them for class, and then like, you know, like now when we are surfing, like especially when the wave is good, they will come down and watch us surfing, and then like everybody like it now, you know, like surfing is growing, you know. Sierra Leone is the place to surf, you know, like you don't need to come with wetsuit or whatever, you know, like the water is warm, you know, like we don't have sharks, you know, like as for me surfing it's a good feeling, and then I really love surfing, you know.
À la recherche de nouveaux spots de surf, l'équipe prévoit d'explorer le sud du pays, une région atlantique et maritime très sauvage, où vivent des tribus animistes coupées du monde. Il faut d'abord faire étape sur Banana Island, point de départ pour une grande traversée vers un groupe d'îles complètement inconnues. Dès que les conditions météo deviennent favorables, c'est l'embarquement vers de nouvelles découvertes.
Good. Fridays a day.
Nous voici à Baki. Baki se situe dans l'archipel des îles Turtle, tout au sud-ouest de la Sierra Leone. C'est un archipel très isolé, sûrement l'un des plus mystérieux d'Afrique de l'Ouest. C'est là que vivent les Sherbro people, qui vivent essentiellement de la pêche. Nous voici donc arrivés, on démarre l'exploration, objectif la côte sud qui fait face à l'Atlantique.
You left your country to seek refuge in another man's land. You left your country to seek refuge in another man's land. You will be confronted by strange dialects. You will be fed with unusual diets. You got to sleep in a tarpaulin house, which is so hot. You got to sleep on a tarpaulin mat, which is so cold. Oh, we on time.
Living like a refugee.
Oh, no.
It's not easy.
It's really not easy.
Living like a refugee. It's not easy.
Oh, we on time.
Living like a refugee.
Oh, no.
It's not easy.
It's really not easy.
Living like a refugee. It's not easy.
I want to hear my solos. Franco?
Nah,
You don't get your supply?
computer don't forget me anymore.
Lord have mercy, computer again. Araim,
Sir,
you don't get your tarpaulin?
protection not consider me.
Let them say. Nature,
You see?
you don't get your medicine.
You there. You and me. Right?
I said to say again. Kede tu camera again. Kede tu camera no de. Bolon pasa ibonam. Mohamed Bangura again. For the Sise again. Francis Boyma again. You know the artist will go pass some more. Let them say.